everyone, I am Payal from BTech first year, and today I am going to demonstrate my project, which is a drone, on behalf of our team Flowbites, having me and Paramveer from BTech first year as members. Basically, our project is a compact sized drone which is good in racing and can be used in defense purposes. We have used various electronic components on making this project, which are motor, propeller, flight controller KK2.1.5, brushless DC motors, remote controller, fly sky, electric speed controllers, drone receiver. The future scope of a compact sized drones is vast and promising. As technology continues to advance, drones are becoming smaller, lighter, and more capable, as they are used in surveillance and security, agriculture and farming, as compact sized drones can assist in precision agriculture by collecting data about crop health, irrigation, and soil conditions. As technology advances, we can expect drones to become more versatile, efficient, and useful in various industries. So, this was all from me and my team.